is awesome.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to the Boys Toy Reviews. So we did our last video on Walmart clearance, but today we were on a Walmart toy hunt, and I found something super cool for Noah. Something that Noah loves to open. What do you think it is? Who? You gotta come over here and tell them, man. They gotta know.
Piggy!
Yeah, Roblox Piggy. You like Roblox Piggy? So the new Roblox Piggy toys are out. We're gonna check them out and see what we got.
Daddy, why are you so silly?
Cause I like being silly. All right, let's see. Let's show them what we got.
Foxy!
Take a look at Foxy, and all of the Piggy skins are a little variation of an animal, but it all started with the Piggy. But Foxy's pretty cool.
Foxy.
And he has a knife.
That's scary. That's super scary.
Foxy with a knife.
Foxy. We'll have to check him out, see what he's all about. Oh my goodness, I knocked him out. Towel's down, cut. Let's see who else we got. The Roblox Psycho Pig, made famous by FGTV. It's pretty crazy.
Oh, Tigry!
You got Tigry?
Yeah, look. Remember shark with his claws?
Oh yeah, old Tigry.
Tigry's definitely pretty cool too. This guy comes at you dual wielding. Watch out for the tomahawks, cause those things are serious.
Come out, y'all. Little Tigry action. You can get all of these different guys on the back. Psycho Pig. What did we get this time?
Piggy.
It's the regular Piggy, the original Psycho Pig.
No, that is not.
Oh, yeah, they got the brown.
Yeah, that's the brown one.
Oh.
And even if you don't know anything about Roblox Piggy, odds are you've probably seen this Piggy somewhere on the internet. This is how it started. The game started with this Piggy, and now they have all types of different skins.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry, guys. My Zeke's crazy.
My Zeke is crazy, aren't you, Zeke? The last one, let's see what the last one. So we're going to be missing one of them.
Clowny.
Oh, yeah. Who you got? Clowny action? That's what I'm
Well,
told.
Clowny Piggy is probably as scary as it gets. When this guy comes for you in the game, it's pretty creepy, to say the least.
Check it out, guys. Good old Clowny Piggy. Got Tigry Piggy. Foxy Cleopatra.
Oh, too bad we don't have dinosaur Piggy.
That's the only one we're missing, right? We're missing one. We did not find
Dinosaur.
Dino Piggy. But we're going to check these out. So make sure to watch the video, see what they look like.
Clown is so fat.
So you ripped the dinosaur clown Piggy off of there?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what he looks like. All right, what do we got first, No Nose?
Clowny.
Clowny? Do you like Clown? Who's your favorite Piggy?
On Clowny, I bet.
Do you think so?
Yeah. And I was clowning in the real game, you guys.
No, you were not. Here,
Yes.
sit out here so they
Yes.
can see you.
Yes.
Were you clowning in the real game?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Because I got it with my money, remember?
Oh, yeah, your money there. Grandma and Paul got you. Hey, that is a creepy little creature. Hello, I am Clowny.
I changed his hammer. Look how strong he is.
Look at this. Yeah, let's see if we can get over there. Oh, I don't know. Like this? Is it popping? This is getting hot. So little Clowny action.
Can you guys see me here? Oh, or can you guys see me behind? What's under the... Let me see. Daddy, can I see the clown hitting?
Clown, yeah. So Clowny is the dude.
Yeah, and Tigry is the dude. Foxy is the dude. The brown guy is the dude.
I thought Piggy was a girl. Is it a boy?
Since she has pink, I guess.
So the original Psycho Pig right here, guys.
Yeah, and all these ones all these colors, all these colors, all the boys have, are boys.
Oh yeah? Like I'm telling you, if that thing's coming at you, you're freaking out. That's a little scary. What does Piggy use? Come around here and tell me.
Piggy use a
Does Piggy use a bat?
bat. Vlogging my daddy so crazy. He just doesn't know what he's doing, open that thing up and doing that bat.
Try and get the bat in there. So yeah, the bat doesn't fit as great as you'd hope it would. Maybe later we'll get the bat for Piggy to work. But Piggy's pretty cool
Dad,
nonetheless.
look, he can roll.
Does he roll? Oh, just like in the game where he just floats. Oh, that is pretty cool. We gotta show you too.
Yeah, but
Show them that. Check it out.
wheels.
I'm super creepy because I roll around. Alright, so let's keep the bat up here. We couldn't get the bat to fit. That was sad, but we got the creepy Foxy who's using a sword.
I thought it was I thought it was like...
Well, you know, we know it's fake and we know it's made up, but we don't really need to talk about
it. It kind of looks like it.
Yeah, but who is this guy?
Foxy!
Foxy Cleopatra.
Wait, is
Foxy Cleopatra.
that
We can make it a sword, right? You know what I'm saying? I wonder if we'll get Foxy's little weapon to work. I'm gonna Psycho Pig!
Ow!
And then last but not least, we've got Tigry in the house.
Whoa, I don't think
Let's see what old Tigry's talking about, y'all. What does Tigry use? What's his weapon of choice? Like tomahawks or something, bro. He got some big boys. He got like tomahawks or something, bro.
I can also
What? What's up with why does Tigry got something on his shoe? We got one boot on for you, huh?
I guess it's just to be like weird because he like probably cut it off. It's like.
And we got an exclusive DLC code, bro. We can scratch that off. Each one of these came with one of these, by the way. Who makes these guys? Can we even look and see? Looks like Phat Mojo. We're gonna have to check them out, see what they're all about, because if they're making Piggy toys, we're gonna be friends.
What Bloggy? What is Daddy doing?
Tigry's coming for you. Tigry's. So, pretty cool, man. So you got Tigry, you got Piggy who rolls. Woohoo. You got I don't know if anybody else would play this game, but when Clowny comes for you, even I get scared. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And once again guys, these are the Roblox Piggy toys. We know for some little ones they're a little too sensitive, and I completely get that. But they're available right now at Walmart for $10.
Go get them. They're free for right now.
For free? Who's giving them for free? You buying them? Is he buying these toys? But yeah, guys, check it out. Thanks for watching. And we're going to show you Zeke Boy real quick.
Yeah. He's really cute, you guys. He is really, really, really cute. They're so cute. I'm really, really, really cute, Bubba. You were sick.
The Zekerpotamus. So he's not making the videos with us yet, but
No.
he will be. Hey Zeke, say hello, Zeke.
Remember when he was in our Scooby-Doo one though?
He was in our Scooby-Doo video, wasn't he?
Yeah.
And these are all of Noah's Lost Land of Toys.
Yeah.
Which, who knows what these are going to do. Because these are just in the basement. Dun, 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 dun.
Hey guys, we had a ton of fun doing this video today, and pictured here at the very end are the new Piggy mini blind bags that will be hitting the shelf soon. So don't forget to look out for these guys, because you know the little ones are going to love it. They're going to be featuring the Clowny, and I think they've got Tigry in here, but they've also got the Roblox robotic Piggy in here. It's fun stuff.